Why spend a fortune on store-bought fertilizers when one of the most effective plant boosters is already in your kitchen? Don't skip this. What you'll learn could transform your garden. Today, I'm sharing a surprisingly simple fertilizer recipe that uses just two common ingredients: garlic powder and milk. Garlic powder is loaded with sulfur and natural antibacterial compounds that help protect plants from pests and fungal infections. Milk, on the other hand, delivers calcium, proteins, and beneficial enzymes that enrich the soil and strengthen plant structure. When combined, these two create a powerful natural fertilizer that promotes strong growth, improves plant immunity, and deters harmful bugs, all without harmful chemicals. Here's how to make it. Mix 1 tablespoon of garlic powder with 1 cup of milk, stir thoroughly, then dilute with 1 liter of water. Use this mixture to water your plants every 2 weeks. You'll notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and more vibrant blooms in no time. It's safe, organic, effective, and best of all, practically free. Stop relying on chemical-heavy products. Nature already gave us the tools. We just needed the recipe. Give this garlic milk fertilizer a try and watch your garden thrive. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with fellow gardeners. Let's grow healthier, greener plants together. See you next time.